We'll start from the guided setup in Command Center. The Virtualization tile has links to the documentation site for more details. Hit the Configure button to begin configuring your hypervisor. Commvault supports a wide variety of on-premise and cloud virtualization hypervisors. Select the vendor you want to configure. We'll select VMware vCenter. An access node is required to configure a hypervisor. This is a Commvault component used to communicate with the hypervisor to discover and access data. Access nodes have specific deployment requirements. Depending on the hypervisor configured, you should check documentation.commvault.com for more details. Access nodes can be assigned automatically by client group or selected individually. Enter a fully qualified name for your hypervisor. Enter a display name, then either enter new credentials for authentication using the plus icon, or select a credential from the drop-down list if you have already created one. Hit Next to configure the hypervisor. The next step is to create a VM group. This selects what VMs you want to protect. The default VM group configuration selects all unprotected VMs as its content. You can keep this as a catch-all or configure specific content to be protected. We'll change the backup content by adding some rules and specific content. Click the Add button and select Rules. You can then create a rule that selects machines based on attributes such as tags, data store, name and host, and regular expression matches to specify what to protect. Hit Save to create the rule. You can then hit Preview to confirm what VMs are matched by the created rule. Content can also be added manually by selecting content from the Add button. VMs can be browsed at different levels: hosts and clusters, data store, and tag-based. Simply browse, locate the VM, and select it. The final part of the configuration is to select or create a plan to specify where data should be stored, for how long, and how frequently it should be protected. Select an existing plan from the drop-down, or click the plus button to create a new plan from predefined retention rules or custom settings. The hypervisor and VM group configuration is complete. VMs selected will be protected automatically based on the configured RPO settings.